Midtown is back, and we are committed to keeping our clubs safe and clean as we reopen our doors to you. Social distancing is key, and our clubs are big, like really big, so we can ensure you have enough space for yourself. We're checking the temperature of everyone who comes into the club, including you, so the club is always fever-free. We are fully stocked on wipes, hand sanitizer, and masks, which will all be available at the club. We've invested in sustainable, safe, and highly effective new cleaning technologies that are now fully integrated into the club, like AirFix, that continuously and safely sanitizes the air and everything the air touches. AirFix also completely disinfects the club every night. And AOS, Aqueous Ozone Solution. More powerful than bleach, completely non-toxic to humans. It has zero waste, it's 100% sustainable, and 100% amazing. And now that we're opening, we are all cleaners. So please wash your hands, wipe down equipment, keep your face covered when possible, and respect social distancing. And we will too. Remember, your immune system is your best line of defense. Keep it strong. We can't wait to see you back at the club. Welcome back.